Alright, my name is Ken, and this is going to be a walk around video on my 2019 2SS 1LE Camaro. I've currently got listed for sale. This vehicle is not a unicorn, but it is definitely a vehicle that is unique in the sense that it's a 2SS 1LE and not a 1SS 1LE. What does the 2SS give you? It gives you all the electronics, okay, that you would get in a normal electronics package on a 2SS, which is your collision monitors and your mirrors. You will also get the lighted ambient lighting inside the vehicle. The door sills light up. You can see here you've got your lighting, okay, around the radio and your cup holder. Okay, it's got magnetic ride control and just things that the normal 1SS 1LEs do not have. You can see I've got the Lloyd mats on all four corners inside the car as well as the trunk. Those are really nice mats, expensive, go well with the car. The interior of the car is immaculate. There are no rips anywhere in this vehicle. Okay, the vehicle's got just shy of 28,000 miles on it. Okay, everything in the vehicle works, and we'll go ahead and start it up in a second. Just to look in the door jambs, how clean I keep everything. Everything is immaculate in this car. It's garage kept, adult owned. Okay. It's also got a lifetime ceramic coating on it, probably 10 years. But I get it boosted. I've got a detail company that takes care of that for me. Once a year, they'll come out and boost it, polish it. Okay. All four corners, okay, are fine. No curb rash whatsoever on these wheels, none of them, not a scratch on it. Okay, you can see, and I'll do that for all four corners. You can see down the side, you know how straight the car is. Car's never been in an accident. Clean Carfax, clean title is in hand. Okay, the other thing that makes this car a little bit more unique than your typical 1LE is going to be it's a 2019. Why does that matter? Well, Chevrolet, and we'll walk around the front here to show you. Chevrolet, for the 2019 model year, put this black bumper across the center front of the car, and they moved the bow tie from the radiator grill down into the center of the bumper. And the Camaro community, for whatever reason, you know, there was some in the community that did not like that. And Chevy took that feedback. So for 2018, they moved the bow tie back into the grill, and then they painted that black bumper guard the same color as the body color of the car, which to me destroys the front end scallop look of this car. So it's a 1-year run car. The other thing that makes it somewhat rare, not too much, but somewhat, because I've never seen another one where I live, is the factory orange crushed paint that you have to order for this car. So, you know, it's somewhat of a triple rare car. It's a 1-year run car. It's a 2SS instead of a 1SS, and it's factory orange. Okay, really nice car. I take care of my stuff. Let's go ahead and step in. Let me show you these wheels, so that you can see there's zero curb rash on these wheels. Zero damage. I had the rocker panels installed. Those are true GM parts. There's nothing on this car that's been modified, okay? It is a factory, 100% factory specimen, unmolested, okay? And that's the way I like my cars. I learned long ago, when you buy what you want, and leave it alone, unless you're going to track your car, and I don't do that stuff. So let's go ahead and start her up. Make sure we're out of gear here. All right, let's see if I can get this to show up correctly. The sensors are, turn the radio off here. Now you can see the mileage there. Everything works on the car. We'll turn the park brake off. You'll see it go off. Okay, and then we'll dismiss that. We'll turn on active rev matching. and we'll dismiss that. Okay. But everything works in the car. I don't have my phone with me, so that's not going to, well, actually I do have it. It's not connected. You will have to connect this for Android Auto and CarPlay. You've got to connect it to a USB port, which is fine. I've got a little pouch right here. I put my phone, and then the USB connector comes out and goes underneath the center console here, or the armrest. But you can see how clean this car is. It is absolutely clean. Everything works in this car. Everything. Okay. Let me go ahead and put the parking brake back on. We'll go ahead and go outside here so you can see it's running outside. I'll go ahead and pop the trunk too. Let's see. Or the hood, I should say. And let's go ahead and leave that door open. It's got active exhaust on it. Now the only thing that's an issue on this car, and this is a factory thing, and I didn't bother fooling with it because A, you never see it, and B, I'd do an aftermarket. This is my engine bay. It's totally clean, unmolested vehicle. I do keep the engine bay dust free, try to. But you can see the paint is coming off here, and that's just because Chevy didn't bother priming the plastic before they painted that. So yeah, I'm in here wiping one day just with a damp rag, and the paint starts coming off. But that's the only thing that I would consider a defect on the car. But yeah, that's totally unmolested. See, I got a little water right there from washing the car this morning. That is an active hood scoop to let the heat out. There are several tiny rock chips, but you really got to look for them. I think one of them's right here. I don't know if you can see that. It's very tiny. Okay. There's another small chip right here. And that's it. That's you know, unfortunately, rock chips are a part of life in these cars. I do have the wheel skirts to help protect it, right? They do a really good job. That combined with the rocker panel ground effects really keep any bad stuff from coming up here and damaging anything. So I did that right away when I got the car. There's been no film on the car or anything like that. I don't drive it that much. You know, why am I selling it? Well, I'm moving into retirement earlier than I wanted to, and you know, I love the car. It's a beautiful car actually, but you know, the gas, my life is changing due to health reasons, and you know, the smart thing to do is let somebody else enjoy it. So I'll go ahead and post this up and get it on the ad so that you can see just how awesome this car is. Let's open up the trunk. I don't know if it'll let me when it's running, and no, it won't. Oh, will it? Yeah, it will.